Today I'm taking a video of the Lake Eustis Sailing Club located in Eustis, Florida, which is east of Leesburg, located in Central Florida. It's just north of Mount Dora. On this lake they have all kind of sailing. They have everything from beginners all the way to racing, where you can come out and race in a regatta. The membership's very reasonable. You can go to their website and check it out. And it's nice to see these guys out here multiple times a week. Now, their peak season is really in the spring and the fall. But yeah, this is a really nice facility. I think it's great for their youth program. They have a really great youth sailing program where they're training tomorrow's sailors, which is really great. And it's a very low entry cost to come out and participate. I've always enjoyed sailing, and my dad got me into sailing when I was young. And it's always been very calming, relaxing, and peaceful for me. And so the more people we can get into sailing, I think it's a really great sport. You can get a sailboat, for as cheap as $300 or $500. I mean, there's some pretty inexpensive sailboats out there that you can get started on. And you can start very small, like a lot of these boats, and you can work your way up to bigger and bigger boats. And it's really not that expensive until you get into the really big stuff. As I was flying my drone over the lake and captured this one sailboat, it kind of reminded me of the Truman Show a little bit. But yeah, this is just so peaceful to look out on the water and see these sailboats out here. And it's a shame if the sport doesn't keep going. So we really need to get out here and learn this sport and get tomorrow's youth involved.
subscribe in 3, 2, 1.